Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to create a personal access token in Supabase. So all you need to do is head on to supabase.com, open any browser and then search for supabase.com and then log into your account or sign up and then go to your account icon, your profile icon, and then press on account preferences. Now you can see here access tokens, press on it. Now you need to generate a new token. You need to give the token a name. For example, project 1, and expires in 1 hour, 1 day, 7 days, 30 days, never, or custom. Don't put never because the personal access token is very important and it needs to expire at some time. And then after you put the duration, you press on generate token. And Supabase will generate a token for you. You can copy it from here and then you can use it to integrate other platforms with Supabase, and that's it. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you for watching.